Hello student, I am Dr. Anamika Goyal from ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Today I am going to discuss about the topic string matching algorithm of the unit 5th of the subject design and analysis of the algorithm. So let's start our topic. First of all, what is string matching algorithm? String matching algorithm, it is also known as string searching algorithm. Basically, string matching algorithm, it is a technique which is used to find a place where one or more substring, that is nothing but it is a pattern, are found within a given string. In string matching algorithm, we are just giving a text and a pattern, and we have to search a pattern in a text and return the number of valid shift after which pattern occur in a text. So to understand this concept, string matching, let us take an example. String matching algorithm, we are just giving a text that is T. For example, T is equals to B, C, A, B, C. This is nothing but this is a text string. In string matching algorithm, we are just giving a text array which is represented by 1 to n, where n represent the number of character in a text string. If I am here, what is the value of n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here n represent is equal and here n represent the size of text array which is 10. In string matching algorithm, we are just giving a pattern P that is nothing but A, B, C. And here you can see P represent 1 to M number of characters. So here the value of M, 1, 2, 3. Here M represent the size of pattern that is 3. So what is a string matching algorithm? In string matching algorithm, basically we just find the given pattern, or we can say the substring into this given text array. So here you can see that ABC pattern will occur in the given text array two times. First is here A, B, C, and second one is again here A, B, C. So with the help of various kind of string matching algorithm, we just find out the given pattern into a text array. Here you can see this pattern will occur in a given text array two times. If I'm talking about the applications of string matching algorithm. So in string matching algorithm, basically, suppose if I want to find a keyword in a given PDF file, so what we have to do, we just press Ctrl plus F key to find a particular keyword in a PDF file. So in these kind of application, basically we apply string matching algorithm. So let us discuss one by one various kind of string matching algorithm here. There are basically four types of string matching algorithm. The first will discuss naive string matching algorithm. After that, we'll discuss Rabin-Karp algorithm. Then we'll discuss Knuth-Morris-Pett algorithm. And the last most important string matching algorithm is Boyer-Murray algorithm. One by one in my upcoming lecture series, we'll discuss each one in detail. In today's lecture, basically, we discuss naive string matching algorithm first. So to understand the concept of naive string matching algorithm, let us take an example. First, we'll solve this naive string matching algorithm example. After that, we'll discuss its algorithm. So, what is naive string matching algorithm? Naive string matching algorithm, it is also known as standard string matching algorithm. In naive string matching algorithm, basically we just find all the valid shape for possible match. In naive string matching algorithm, we are just given a text array and a pattern, right? So here you can see we are given a text array T, and the value of this text array T is 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. This is what? This is a given text array. This is given text array 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. And the size of this string matching text array is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So here the value of n is 10. Right? Second, we are given a pattern, and the value of this pattern is 1 1 and 1. And the size of this pattern is 1 2 3. So the value of m here is 3. The question is find all valid shape using name string matching algorithm. So here we just find out the all valid shape. Basically we find this pattern into a given text array. So first condition to applying any string matching algorithm is that the value of m is always less than equals to n. If this condition is satisfied, then only we can find a given pattern into a text array. Here you can see the value of m is 3, which is less than and equals to n. So here first we apply naive string matching algorithm. As per the naive string matching algorithm, what we have to do? In naive string matching algorithm, we just starting a loop for all valid shapes. So here we just starting a loop for I is equals to 0 to 0 to 0 to n minus m time. Why it is n minus m time? Because the size of m here is 3 and the value of text array is 10. So here you can see how many maximum shift is required. We just find these three continuous bit into a given text array. So at when we reach the text array 8, so after matching 8, 9, 10, uh, the text array is, the value of text array is nil. So basically we just repeat or iterate this text array up to 0 to n minus m, 0 to 7 times, right? So basically स्ट्रिंग मैचिंग एल्गोरिथम में हमें क्या करना है, हमें इस पैटर्न को 3 बिट के पैटर्न को इस 10 बिट की टेक्स्ट एरे में कॉन्टिन्यूअसली सर्च करना है. तो एट मैक्स कितने टाइम हमें रिपीट करना होगा, 7 टाइम, राइट. सो आवर लूप इटरेट इज I is equals to 0 to 7 टाइम. So here one by one we'll see. First, for s is equals to 0. In case of s is equals to 0, what we have to do? We just match t of 0 plus 1. T of 0 plus 1 is? T of 0 plus 1 is T of 1. Here we match T of 1 to P of 1. It will be matched. T of 1 is 1 and P of 1 is 1. Then again T of 1 plus 1, T of 2 match P of 2. Here no match not found. Here you can see T of 2 is 0 and P of 1 is, P of 2 is 1. So match not found. For s is equals to 0. It means for shift 0, match not found. And what we have to do? We again iterate loop s is equals to s plus 1. So again now s is equals to 1. In case of s is equals to 1, again what we have to do? In case of s is equals to 1, again we compare s of 1 plus 1. Yani t of 2 to s of 1. Match not found. Again match not found. Then again we'll iterate for s is equals to 1. S is equals to 2. For s is equals to 2 means t of 2 plus 1. Yani we match t of 3 to p of 1 match found. Then t of 4 to p of 2 match found. Then t of 5 to p of 3 match found. So it is what? It is a valid string. Valid shift. Because here match found. Right? So this is your valid shift. First valid shift we find s is equals to 2 position. After that what we had to do again, हम loop से terminate नहीं होंगे because our loop will continue for s is equals to 7. So again for next iteration s is equals to 3. In case of s is equals to 3, again we compare what? In case of S is equals to 3, we compare T of 3 plus 1, T of 4 to P of 1 match, T of 5 to P of 2 match, T of 6 to P of 3. Again match not found. Again match not found. Right? Then again we'll increment the value of S by 1. For S is equals to 4, again we iterate. In case of S is equals to 4, the next value is T of 4 plus 1 and T of 5 to P of 1 match, T of 6 to P of 2 match not found. Again match not found. Then again we increment the value of S by 5. 5. In case of S by 5, again we match S T of 5 plus 1 and T of 6 to P of 1 match not found. Then next we increment S by 1. So S is equals to 6. In case of S is equals to 6, we compare T of 6 plus 1. T of 7 to P of 1 match found. T of 8 to P of 2 match found. T of 9 to P of 3 match found. Then again valid shift. Again we found valid shift means match found. So here we found S is equals to 6 shifts valid match. Then again we increment the value of S is equals to 7. In case of S is equals to 7, again we see we match T of 7 plus 1, T of 8 to P of 1 match, T of 9 to P of 2 match, T of 10 to P of 0 match, not found. Again, this is match not found, right? So, then we increment the value of S by 1. Now, S is equals to 8. In case of S is equals to 8, what happened? Loop terminate. Here, our loop will terminate. After termination of loop, we see here we just found two times our pattern in a given text array. For S is equals to 2 shift and for S is equals to 6. So S is equals to 2. It means S is equals to 2 shift and S is equals to 6. We have found 2 times our pattern into a given text array. This is the concept of naive string matching algorithm. I hope you all understand naive string matching algorithm. Now we'll see the step-by-step procedure to solve this naive string matching algorithm. Just wait for a minute. Now you can see string matching algorithm. Naive string matching, it is also known as standard matching algorithm. I already told you in naive approach, what we have to do, we test all the possible placement of pattern P related to the tags 1 to n size. We try shift S is equals to 0 up to n minus m times successively and find our pattern into a given text array using T of S plus 1 up to S plus m to P of 1 to m. So this is the step-by-step procedure. Step number 1. First first we have to calculate the size of text array in n, then the size of pattern array in m variable, and then iterate the loop 0 to n minus m time. And what we have to do in each loop, in this loop we compare our pattern 1 to m size into each element of the text array one by one, means P of 1 to m is equal to T of S plus 1 up to S plus m. And after finding the pattern, we just print the pattern occur with a shift value S. So If I want to analyze the time complexity, so here you can see n is equals to length of t. This statement will execute order of one time. Then m is equals to length of p is also executed in order of one time. If I'm talking about this statement, s is equals to 0 to n minus m. So this statement will execute up to n minus m plus 1. Why plus 1? Because this loop starts from 0 to n minus m. So the time complexity of this statement is order of n minus m plus 1. After this loop, what we have to do, we just compare our pattern whose size is m to a given text array. So this statement will execute it up to order of n minus m plus 1 multiplied by m time. And after finding the pattern, we just print the pattern again in a constant time order of 1. So if I want to calculate the time complexity of naive string matching algorithm, so it will take order of n minus m plus 1 into m time for the executions. So this is the time complexity of string matching algorithm. I hope you all understand the analysis of the naive string matching algorithm. These are the references used in our presentation. Thank you.